Hello friends.
These skies have a different light, why noise that keeps me up at night.
Currently we are at the Leh market, and to be precise, we are at Tibetan Friends Corner, which is a very popular hub for Ladakhis as well as people who visit Ladakh in winters, and it's open in summers as well. So because we're at a restaurant, of course it's obvious that we're gonna try some Ladakhi dishes, of course momo, and today we're gonna try 3 types of momos. First one I'm sure you've already guessed, which is the steamed momos, and the rest, that's a surprise. So be with us, we'll show you more. Starting with the cuisine journey of Ladakhi momos. So first of all, as we all know, the steamed momos, and let me just take a bite of it, and so that I can tell you how it looks like or feels like to taste. So as you can see, this filling is with mutton and some amount of vegetables, garnished with the chili sauce. If you don't like chili sauce, you can opt not to have it. Soft, and mutton is cooked to a good point. So I definitely recommend this to people who don't like crispy things and like soft food. So that's the steamed momo. Basically the filling is same in everywhere, just the shape and the texture of the momo which differs. So steam is soft, of course, and then we have the fried momo, which is crispy because it's it's deep fried, and filling is same, but I'll just make you see how it feels like to eat it. Since it's crispy, we might need to use a fork and a knife, and again dip. As you can see, it takes hard time to chew. That means it's deep fried, properly fried. Okay. In between, I think we can take a soup break as well, because this is supposed to accompany all the momos. If you ask me about the ingredients of the soup, it's simply boiled mutton broth. You can say just boiled mutton with garnishing with a coriander or whatever green garnishing things available around us. The soup there, and I'm excited for the next one. This is called kothe. It's just that the filling is same, as you can see, but it's pan fried, and just the bottom, the base of the momo is fried to give a crispy feeling at the base and a soft feeling at the top, as you can see there. So again, not to use the this is how it looks like. Mutton filling and coriander inside with pan fried base, and again the step dip for taste. And you can almost feel the melting of the mutton in the mouth. Just to ease the swallowing process, let's again take a soup break. So that's today's journey of momos out here, with steamed momo, deep fried momo, and the kothe. I hope you loved and enjoyed momos like I did, and do make sure when you come to Ladakh, or when you come to visit Ladakh, you come here and enjoy this. Thank you so much. Well, that was it then. I hope you liked the food you had with us and enjoyed it through your eyes, and please make sure you come next time and definitely taste it, because that's worth tasting it. Well, that's all we have to say. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned with us. This is Namgil here, and you can find me on Instagram. The handle name is The Impulsive Finger, and we'll keep making more videos. Stay tuned with us. Thank you so much. Share and subscribe.